Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to update the software. Every now and then there'll be an updated version of the software that comes out, and you're going to have to replace it in your broker account with the newest version. So what you do is you log into your virtual private server, your VPS. You're logging on to someone else's desktop, so to speak. And when you through your remote desktop, you should already be set up. When you log into your VPS, or for whatever reason, if you're not using a VPS, which everyone should, that you would just do this on your own desktop. But when you log in, you are going to see the TradeRinger. You should see the TradeRinger, both TradeRinger files. You are going to just send those to the trash. Then through your VPS, while you're on your VPS, you're going to log into economy.com, EACONOMY.com. Once you log in, you're going to go to support. Under support, actually it's resources. You go to TradeRinger Setup. When you click TradeRinger Setup, you are going to see the latest version of the software right here. So you're going to click download zip file, and it's going to download right here. So you open that, and it's those two files. So you want to just highlight those and just drag them onto your desktop. And exit out, exit out. You don't need that anymore. Now you have the newest version here. Let's just assume that I didn't have the latest version, which I do. You want to go to this one first, and you right click, or you double tap if you have a Mac, and you want to click copy. Then you're going to open up your broker account. You're going to go to File, Open Data Folder, MQL4, Experts, and then you're going to paste it right there. I already have the latest version, so I don't need to do it, but that's where you would right click or double tap and click paste. Once you do that, you want to come here and you want to right click and click refresh. Then you minimize the broker. You go here and you right click on this TradeRinger, this other file. You click copy. Go back to your broker. Again, go to File, Open Data Folder, MQL4. This time you go to Libraries and you right click or double tap and paste the new one, but I've got the latest. You don't have to worry about refreshing, but those are the two. You have to replace both of those whenever you're dealing with a new software version.